All right, you ready? You ready to eat your first cereal? What do we... So you're sort of supposed to spell after the meal. After the meal. Yeah? Ready? What do we think?
Try some?
Oh yeah, this is going well.
Yeah. Eat
What
it
do
up.
you think, huh?
Eat it up.
Gotta
eat it.
I'm not quite sure about this. Oh, yum.
That's good.
Yummy. How about a little bit more? What do you think? Well, oh, is it good? That's pretty
That's
good stuff.
good stuff.
Yeah, I thought so. You ready? Wait for a little bit more? What do you think? Your mom's not very good at this either, huh? Ready? What? Yummy! You're slightly messier than Daddy when you eat.
Is that good?
Is it really good? Yummy!
Is that pretty good?
Not quite sure what to do with the spoon yet, are we? Oh, that's good stuff, huh? Yeah. Ready? Oh, is it good? Yeah, do you like it? Yes. All right, another bite. Gotta open your mouth first. Take go.
Yummy.
What do you think?
Is that good?
It's pretty good, huh?
Is it?
Well, here we go. All right.
Good job.
Oh my, you're gonna get even bigger now. Is it pretty good stuff? Yeah. You want some more? Okay, here we go. Ready? Just a little bit, ready? Zoom. There. What? All right. Pretty good? What do you think? All right. Good job.